Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Deborah, board certified trichologist. Welcome. Today I want to talk to you about the 5 common mistakes that could be causing you hair loss. Let's get into it. Number 1, improper handling your hair. What am I talking about? Excessive pulling, causing tension and manipulation. You see this style that I have my hair in? It requires a lot of detangling, okay? So if you are doing excessive manipulation to your hair, it's going to cause hair loss and hair damage. Not only do curly froze like this, that's why I don't wear my hair in this style a lot, but also ponytails. I love me a good ponytail, whether I put my own natural hair in ponytails or whether I purchase an additional ponytail to put on my own hair. So how can the ponytails cause your hair? By pulling it too tight. A lot of times you're pulling the ponytail too tight, and when you have too much tension on your hair follicles, it will cause hair damage, okay? So loosen those ponytails up, girl. Don't make them too tight. I see it all the time. You don't have to make them really tight for them to stay, okay? Another thing is putting your hair in buns. I love a bun, whether it's a top bun, side bun, all types of buns can cause you hair loss as well. Because why? Excessive tension. And then braids. You do know, once again, excessive tension and repeatedly tension on the hair, especially from, like I said, ponytail, buns, and braids, will cause the hair follicle damage, which results in hair loss. So be very careful in the way that you handle your hair when styling or even shampooing and detangling can cause hair loss, okay? So be very careful, be very gentle with your hair. So number 2, wearing your hairstyles too long. Yes, ladies, we cannot wear our protective styles 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 months. We cannot do that. We're wearing it too long. It's not giving you an opportunity to cleanse, condition, and let your hair breathe, take a rest. When I say let your hair breathe and take a rest, I'm not talking about 1 week, okay? We need to let our hair breathe longer than a week or 2. We need to let our hair breathe a month. Give it some time so that you can pamper it, you can shampoo it, you can condition it, you can moisturize it. You can always go back into your protective style. Just do not wear it too long where it's not giving you an opportunity to care for your hair, okay? The next thing I want to talk to you that is another common mistake is overusing your flat irons or your curling wands. Those are for my natural girlies who like to who wear their hair straight. It's a good common rule to shampoo your hair and freshly flat iron on fresh hair. Meaning that after you shampooed and conditioned your hair, it's fine to flat iron your hair. You can flat iron your hair the next 2 days. But after that, your hair is soiled. It has product in it. It has your natural oil in it. So when you're using those hot tools on unclean hair, it will cause your hair some damage. And not to mention, if you have the heat too high, which you should use medium heat, don't use it. Some of the curling irons go up to 450, or the flat irons, curling irons go up to about 450. You do not need 450 on your hair. So not only overusing those flat iron and curling wands, if you have the heat too high and if you're using them too often, you're going to cause some hair damage, which will result into hair loss, okay? So just be very careful on heat control and how much you use it. And the next thing I want to talk to you about, a common practice that we do or don't do, is scalp care. If you don't take care of your scalp, and the scalp is the foundation of healthy hair growth, you will not get the healthy hair. Okay, so scalp care helps prevent scalp disorders such as dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, psoriasis, and things like that. So you want to detox your scalp regular, especially if you're putting pomades and oils and things like that on your scalp. You want to make sure you remove those by detoxing your scalp. They have a lot of detoxers on the market. You can go holistic, or you can purchase detoxing products on the market. And to remove excess oils, which is your natural oils that your scalp produce anyway. You want to make sure you remove that. You want to remove any oils that you put on it, any type of sprays, any type of products, so your scalp can breathe. And also when your scalp is clean, free of those debris, it also creates a great foundation for hair growth. So lack of scalp care can result in hair loss or hair damage, okay? And also it can cause you to have some type of scalp disorder. And my next common mistake that could be causing your hair is the use of hair tools and accessories. What am I talking about? Hair tools and accessories. I'm talking about ponytail holders. I'm talking about hair caps, ball caps or beanies, or headbands and hair wraps and things like that. Hair bonnets, and yes, hair glasses, eyeglasses. One thing that I noticed with these glasses, now that my hair is this length, it tends to get caught in the corner of my glasses, which is pulling hair strands. So same with ponytail holders. You see those ponytail holders that have hair on those. So that means either the ponytail holder is too tight or it's catching your hair. So you want to be careful about your little ponytail holders, your hair ties, anything that you use to pull your hair up or pull your hair back. Just don't make them too tight, and just make sure that they don't have the little metal clamps. Make sure they're smooth. They have the little satin ones, which is really good, but I find that even those can still take your hair out if it's too tight. You just have to be careful with using those. And another thing that you probably are not aware of that can cause hair loss is when you wear hair bonnets at night. If the hair bonnets, and it don't have to be too tight, I've experienced this myself. The circular opening where you put your hair into the hair bonnet sometimes can rub along the hairline from the front all the way back. If you're noticing that your hairline is there's breakage around your hairline and you're not using tight hair, you're not wearing tight hairstyles or headbands and things like that, look at your hair bonnet, because I had to do that. I realized that, wow, my hair bonnet is causing, my hair is coming out, and the elastic is laying on top of my hairline. And once again, I said, like these glasses, whether you're wearing sunglasses or whether you wear prescription glasses, putting the glasses in and, putting them on and off actually rubs around your hair here, which causes hair loss. So just be careful about your hair tools and your hair accessories, hair bands, all of those things. Sometimes they can pull your hair out. If this information is helpful to you, please hit the like button to like the video, but also drop me a comment. What are some of the other mistakes that you have recognized that has caused you hair loss or hair damage? Share that with us so that we all can learn from each other, okay? I would appreciate that. And also, if you could hit the subscribe button to help me build up my channel, I would love that as well. Hit the notification button, because I come on every week to share some good information with you. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. God bless you. Until next time. Bye.